Welcome everyone, how are you today? This is Scrembo with PEPEcoin price prediction right here on CoinMarketCap, including the ability for us to discover from the most rational way what's happening in the markets and what could be the expectations down to the earth on April 2024 for this meme coin right here. We're actually talking about a category of cryptocurrencies where you get so much bullshit around predictions, where you get so much misunderstanding of the market type of predictions that is incredible, guys. It is the space that I see it very risky when it comes down to the greedy side of the business of the world of crypto. Meme coins is actually the place where people expect to turn $100 into $1 million every other day, instead of understanding that such situations are happening in a very specific contextual situation that is not repeatable in a strategy or in a specific way or the other. It's just others that are trying to monetize such situations by pretty much speaking about numbers that you guys want to hear, instead of actually portraying the reality and what does the market communicates with you, which is obviously something that someone that is trading since 2014 like me full-time is actually doing every single time. So before we dive into it, I'd like to share with you that the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is having an extremely good time. We finally got confirmed above the 200 days moving average, and on top of that we're actually getting supported by the uptrending trending line, which is confirming that we are actually going to force the breakout of this ascending triangle, a breakout which will have the capability to get us into the $900 billion movement. It is obviously a necessity of a strong breakout here, considering how does such chart of total market cap is behaving. It's never getting overbought. It's never getting that easily like we saw usually on the others to face those divergences that are actually executed. Divergences and convergences in such charts are not functioning, guys. So be aware and keep yourself aware of that. Before we dive into the topic, we also have our BTC trade. So for those of you that are feeling inspired about trading, we still have our Bitcoin trade that I'm still holding it, guys. BTC long right here, 1.5 million bucks. We're riding, we're having a good time, and we're enjoying the process. If you want to be part, you can definitely do so without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits achieved, totally done for you, totally outsourced. Commission is paid by you every 7 days based on the profits we accumulate. It's API trading, like a copy trading form, and we can run like that. Just like for the one-on-one coaching program, if you're serious about a crypto world and would like to hunt financial freedom to go that direction, whether you trade part-time or full-time, it's time to learn how to trade correctly, guys. This is the #1 condition to be profitable consistently. So we're going to talk about this coaching program at the end of the video as well. Now it's time to speak out for PEPEcoin. PEPE, which is in a good shape, guys, after we have been double bottom on a macro structure for the 4-hour candlesticks. We're looking for breaking out of the resistance line of this trend. Obviously, it's a resistance line that is powerful, but at the same time, the movement we're going is also holding so much energy that is unbelievable. 25% is representing the current swing high performance, which is something that I would not underestimate at all. PEPEcoin is one of the cryptocurrencies which can deliver you on spot, as you can see, double digits quite easily. You don't really have to leverage this coin out more than 2x or 3x. Even with 3x leverage is something that I consider most of the time dangerous with this ones. 2x is already going into the high volatility perspective. Like 2x on 25% is already 50% on the margin that could have been made with this very simple and welcome type of entry. The probability of breakout here is huge. The difficulties are going to be approached around 960s, 950s on the upper supply zone. Until that level, we should easily construct ourselves to the moon, guys. Take a look at that. BTC is just pumping 72,500s. We're printing the resources here, and it's something that we should not complain at all. Back to PEPEcoin, folks. Now, that's where we should be concerned about a strong selling pressure that might depends how BTC is, guys, because it's not just about putting out price predictions or technicals about a single cryptocurrency without having in mind that others exist as well. So you just want to consider yourself in a correlation with Bitcoin and Ethereum. You want to see how does the movements before the halvings are portrayed. There's not much to go before the halving appears. There's a lot to speak out here for the altcoins. I think they're going to perform much better than BTC during the halving season. So we're looking forward here a movement into the 950s, 60s with a possible retracement. And this should basically give us the ability to take it above the highs if we successfully transform the upcoming supply into our next demand zone, right? Which means that 850s should be transformed into your next strong demand zone. First, you got to push above, get back to it, and create a very, very strong higher low on the structure above the triangle. This is something that I would actually request. Give me a higher low structure above the triangle between two levels that are at the moment supplies. Make sure you transform at least one of them into my demand so I can target above the highs that we're having at the moment, which is going to function very well, guys. This is PEPE 4-hour candlesticks. We're looking at a really good situation here that shouldn't bother us in a negative way at all. I think PEPE has a lot to deliver and we're just happy about it, folks. Once again, for those of you that would like to be part of my educational program and you consider cryptocurrency a serious space that is worth your time and education, then it's basically a moment to participate in that, and advantageously you can monetize the markets very well. We'll talk to you soon, folks. Reach out for a free call and check out the video to understand how does the coaching program works. We'll talk to you soon.